Hi friends, in the maths exam, time most important. You want to save the time by multiplying easily. So that purpose, today we are going to discuss multiplication technique. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and share to your friends and click on the bell symbol also. Like that encourage me to make more videos. I share more ideas. Some students asking chapter wise questions also. I will upload with your encouragement. Let me do the more videos. So now today, welcome to our technique. Today we are going to discuss one easy multiplication trick. That is, when we have density is same. For example, observe 56 into 54 like that. Means sum of the unit digit means unit places. What is the sum of unit place? 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Sum of unit place 10 and remaining 10th place same element is there. At the time, this technique is easy to apply, very good, easy to get answer. Observe. Now simply 6 4s are 24. Here 5 after next number 6. 5 6 are 30. Like that, students, very easy. For example, we have 93 into 97. Second example, observe here. First 9 after next number. After 9, next digit 10. 9 10s are 90. Next 3 7s are 21. That's all. Like that, friends, very easy. I will explain some more example. Observe friends, some more example. Here, sum of the unit digit is 10. Means 3 plus 7, 10. That time easy to apply this knowledge. Okay. 3 7s are 21. Here, next 10 after, next number in the natural numbers, 10 after 11. 11 10s are 110. That's all. 110 to 1. Okay. For example, here, tens place same is there. When tens place is same and sum of the unit digit is 10, apply this talent. Okay. Observe next 7 after next number 8. 7 8 ja 56. 2 8 ja 16. Like that. Okay, friends. Observe here. Now 9. 9 after next number 10. 9 10 ja 90. Next 9 1 ja 9. This purpose only I am explaining. When you have a single digit, you write 0 9. Okay. Observe next one. Here also tens place same. Sum of within digit 10. At the time 8 after next number 9. 8 9 ja 72. 8 2 ja 16. 2 8 is 16. Product of unit place 2 8 is 16. 8 after next number 9 8 and 7 like that. 6 after next number natural numbers 7. Okay, next natural number after 6 7. 6 7 is 4 2. 3 7 is 21. That's all friends. Very easy to write this method. This knowledge apply for any number 3 digits also if you are confident. For example 114 into 116. Suppose you know very well 11 12 11 into 12 11 12 132 by our techniques. Next 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Like that, students. Very easy to answer. So try to remember and utilize this and use this knowledge in the exams. Save the time. Thank you. I hope you understand. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Please encourage me by sharing more people. Thank you.